Alright, what's up YouTube? So I also got my Mosin Nagant package in today, so I just want to do a quick unboxing for that as well. So I'll try to do it as soon as possible. Just put it down here. I wish I kind of owned a tripod, so it'd be much easier to see what's going on, but haven't invested in one yet. Mosin Nagant's obviously probably one of the most famous bolt-action rifles, largely used by the Soviet Union and Imperial Russia. Extensively used in World War I and World War II. I got mine for a pretty good price. Obviously they're very cheap, millions and millions and millions were produced, but still in Canada to get it in a deactivated condition for some reason costed more than just to get it in a live condition, but I don't have the proper permits to get the bolt-action rifle in live condition. Gotta settle for the deactivated versions, but this one does cock and clip. Alright, so taking it out here, it's in bubble wrap. Pretty well packaged. Well, it's much longer than, if it's actually this entire length, that's quite long. Didn't think it's that long of a rifle, but so you can see the butt over there. I'm just trying to, nope, I have to put it down again, guys. I'll let you guys know the minute or the second that I take it out so that you guys can just fast forward to that. Almost out. Alright. And it's out. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Oh, way nicer than I thought it would be. Look there at the markings quickly, because you know I love markings. 1939, you got the star. Serial number, I was told mostly the serial numbers match. It's the whole length of the gun. More in-depth review obviously coming later. I didn't get any accessories with it, but I mean they're pretty cheap, you can just pick those up later. Here's the gun, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this small unboxing. Obviously more in-depth review of this coming up later. Thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.